Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. Today I will tell you about the top 5 Christmas trends for 2020. So let's gonna be start. This is gonna be a farmhouse theme. So this is gonna be a lot of words and phrases. The colors like a black and white color. And it's kind of like a greenery and twinkle lights that you can see this kind of Christmas ideas. And my next one is gonna be a rustic decor glam. This one is kind of like a shimmery also and like a glam decor, and it's kind of similar also to farmhouse, but this is a lot of stuff good to do it also. And this is rustic glam decor. You can create also your like kind of also like a shimmery decor. Yeah, my next one is gonna be a white snow theme, and this is everything is gonna be white, or it's up to you, like a combination of silver also if you want to. And this is a good one too, and I love it, and it's very cool, and you can put a lot of stuff to do it. And my next one is gonna be a country house. Country house is kind of like a green and red combination also, and like a natural colors in it, and you can find also words or phrases there too. And my next one is a sweet treats and bakery theme. This is gonna be a colorful Christmas decor ideas, and there's a lot of candy or bakery stuff on it that you can put it, and you can decorate. Yeah, and you can decorate like you can put like a ginger cookies, candies out there, and something else as long as similar to sweet treats, something like that. And there you go guys, there's my top 5 Christmas trends for 2020, and I get those pictures from the Pinterest. This is another free website that you can download it. It's a free app. And if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and it would really help and support the channel. And please also ring the notification bell and keep you updated every time I post my new video. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. And that's all for now, and see you guys later, and thank you for watching.